How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George with Wicked Warnings here in the shop with a nice, pretty 18 GMC Sierra. I do love those white DRL rings on this truck. Unfortunately, we weren't able to flash them on this build, but we do have the Wicked Warnings TIR 3 in amber, 4 in the grill, set to an X pattern. I'll show you a little bit more about the mounting in that grill there if you like that. So here you can see how we've mounted them right here along the edge of the grill. And we just had to do a little bit of clearance work to get them to fit into there. We've got the same thing over on this side. You clearance out just the tiniest bit here with the plastic, the black. You can just carve a little bit of that out with the Dremel bit, and then you can fit the T3s there. And that gives you your X pattern, 4 T3s in the grill. Around the back of this truck, we've got our LED HAW duos in the cargo and in the reverse. We've got amber down in the reverse, and we've got white up in the cargo. The white is on our popular seizure maker pattern, and the amber is on a more relaxed triple flash. I think it's 75 flashes per minute alternating is what that is. Let me show you the inside real quick. Just a quick note about these Sierra and Denali tail lights. You can put hideaways in these, as it clearly shows. Email in after purchase if you want the pictures to show where to mount those. Same deal for the cargo light. Email in and I'll give you a nice picture set to show you how to mount them in the cargo. Here in the vehicle, in our nice classic spot, we've got our 3/4 flush mount switch. Everybody likes that spot, nice and out of the way. All of this will be available for order right on the website. It's always in stock. You can check the video description for a link to purchase this exact kit, and feel free to always modify, add, or subtract contents of the kit, and email in with any questions at info@wickedwarnings.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and make sure to give us a like, a subscribe, a thumbs up, or whatever other social media icon to approve my post. I'm George Fiore, and I approve this message. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.